Stan Store versus Beacons, AI, two platforms fighting for your attention. Which one really delivers? On one side, Stan Store, the go-to for creators selling digital products and services. On the other, Beacons, AI, a dynamic link in bio tool with powerful monetization features. Let's move past the marketing hype and see how they truly stack up. We'll score each category so you'll know who actually comes out ahead. You might be surprised by the final result. So here's what we're really gonna compare today. First, pricing, because yeah, your wallet matters. Then how good they are for making money, all the AI tricks and automation stuff, customization and branding, analytics and insights, email and CRM features, how easy they are to use, integrations and ecosystem, and finally, community and support. Stick with me, I promise, it's not gonna be boring. Kicking things off with pricing, Stan Store keeps it super simple, one flat price, no transaction fees, which is actually kind of rare these days. But heads up, you do have to pay to play, and it starts at $29 a month. There's no free option, so if you're on a tight budget, that might feel steep. Now Beacons, AI comes in swinging with a free plan. Yup, you can try it out without spending a cent. They do go up to $90 a month on the highest end, but you at least get a taste before you pay. Here's the catch though, on their free or Creator Pro plans, they take a 9% cut of your sales, which honestly can sting if you start earning more. But hey, if you don't mind the fee for that early access, Beacons definitely wins for pricing flexibility. Alright, let's get into the money stuff, monetization. Stan Store is basically built to help you sell digital products. Courses, coaching, memberships, you name it, you can sell it up front with zero transaction fees. The cart and checkout? Super easy. If you just want to make money with as little hassle as possible, Stan kinda nails it. The flip side, they're not trying to do a zillion content features. Beacons AI, on the other hand, lets you sell products and even has built-in affiliate tools, pretty cool if you're looking to spread things around. Paid tiers give you coaching and memberships too, downside. E-commerce just isn't quite as smooth or optimized as Stan. And unless you're paying for the highest plan, that fee again, 9%. So for pure selling and keeping your money, Stan Store gets this one. Oh, and here's something cool if you're into all the AI and automation stuff. Stan Store, it's got the basics like emailing customers and sending auto DMs, but honestly not much with fancy AI content. On the other side, Beacons, AI throws in a whole toolkit of AI features. You can have it auto-write emails, generate product descriptions, even create social media content. It's like, way more advanced. Only thing is, all those magic AI toys are hidden behind the higher tier plans, so you might have to pay to actually use them. Still, if you want AI in your workflow, Beacons wins by a mile here. Hey, quick pause, did you know Stan Store actually lets you keep 100% of your sales? Like, zero transaction fees ever, that's super rare. Let's talk looks and vibes, customization. Stan Store is honestly made for speed. You pop up a slick, professional storefront with minimal fuss. The trade-off is, it's not super flexible with design and you don't get a ton of templates. Now, if you want to get creative, Beacons AI feels like designer mode unlocked. Tons of templates, customizable layouts, just way more ways to make it your own. Downside. All that freedom can get overwhelming and sometimes the interface feels a bit packed. Still, Beacons is the clear winner for total control. So, analytics and insights, because who doesn't love seeing those numbers go up? Stan Store keeps it focused. You get clear, sales-driven analytics, can track conversions, see how your customers behave, all baked right into your store. You don't get every little detail about likes and clicks, but honestly it does sales tracking really well. Beacons AI actually goes deep here with traffic, click analytics, and even AI-powered recommendations. However, getting detailed sales stats is a little more manual. If you want the most actionable info for selling, Stan takes this round. Next up, email and CRM. Stan Store brings built-in email marketing, though you'll need the Pro upgrade for the good stuff, and it's got smooth follow-up automations for your buyers. If you like keeping things in one place, that's so convenient. Beacons, you actually get some email features even on the free version, plus some AI to help you write campaigns if you want. But you're gonna hit limits unless you pay for higher plans. In practice, for nurturing customers, Stan Store's more robust. Alright, ease of use and speed, because who has hours to spend fiddling around with a platform? Stan Store is blazing fast to set up and you really don't need a tech degree to get selling. Now, if you're more of a power user or someone who loves to tinker, you might eventually want more features. Beacons is pretty welcoming at first, honestly, but once you start exploring all the advanced stuff, the dashboard can get a little crowded. For pure simplicity, Stan wins here without a doubt. On integrations and ecosystem, Stan Store stays focused. It links up with essentials like Shopify, Calendly, Stripe, which is great if your business revolves around selling. But when you look at content or social integrations, the list is, well, short. Beacons, though, is sort of like the Swiss Army knife here. It connects with a ton of social platforms, has an API for building extra features, and even throws in affiliate and influencer tools. Heads up, not all integrations are on every plan, but the flexibility is just way greater on Beacons. So Beacons AI takes this one. Finally, community and support. Stan Store is creator first, and honestly their support feels fast and human. They even have an education hub for creators. Hard to complain. Beacons AI is no slouch. They've got a responsive team, tons of documentation and FAQs, but no sort of exclusive community hangouts or private forums. In terms of direct support and community feel, Stan Store's just a bit more hands-on. So, visualizing all this, Stan Store just crushes it in sales, ease of use, analytics, and support. Meanwhile, Beacons AI is ahead in pricing for beginners, has seriously strong AI tools, major customization, and integrations. It's a classic case of focused selling machine versus all-in-one powerhouse. If you want to squeeze maximum profit from digital sales with as few distractions as possible, Stan Store is the way to go. But if you like experimenting with branding, want lots of AI tricks, and don't mind a small fee for more features, Beacons will let you do so much more. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but for pure selling power, Stan Store feels like the winner. For feature fanatics and brand builders, Beacons is the real contender. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.